at Avivo on the west side, and we're gonna jump into this cheese pizza, because remember, we're leveling the playing field, okay? Leveling the playing field for all the pizza places in Wichita. And now we got a cheese, another cheese.
Cheese. Crispy, I can already tell it's crispy. God, there's a lot going on this crust. Lots of spices, rosemary, garlic, infused olive oil, I believe is what is the love that is made into this pizza, slice of pizza. It doesn't look like it's overly sauced, which is the way I like it anyway. Got a little bit of flimsiness to it. Let's go in. Okay, not as crispy as I thought it was going to be. Firm. That pizza sauce is really good. To me, pizza sauce makes or breaks the pizza. I don't like it overly sweet. It can be tangy. This is just subtle. It blends in really well. I really love the spiciness of, not spiciness, the spices that are used in this. Blends really well. I can taste the cheese. I'm not exactly sure what kind of cheese. I just know it's a cheese pizza. Overall, this is a good little piece of pizza though. Now there's some crispness back here on the crust. It is crispy back there.
I like the way it looks. I love it just got a bunch of seasoning and cheese on top. I really like that. Makes it look very appealing to the eye. It is, like Darren said, a little softer on the bottom than I anticipated, but it's not like doughy or anything. It's still really good. The cheese and the spices and the added cheese on top really blend well. The sauce is good. I definitely taste so it's a garlic and rosemary infused olive oil that they use. It's actually in the dough when they cook it, and they also use it throughout every other flavor that they use here on their pizzas, in all their pizzas. And yeah, the flavors really mesh well together. Texture, it's all like molds into one big texture in your mouth, and it's just very flavorful. And I taste a little sweet glaze on that crust. So that's an added bonus right there. I like that. So Darren, you've been chewing over there for a while. What's your rating?
So my score for this, and I've grabbed another piece just because this is really good. Not normally a cheese pizza. I like meat lovers, give me all the meat type of pizza. But in a cheese pizza, the simplicity of this, the overall flavor, the sauce, I'm gonna give this an 8-2.
So for my rating, I mean, this is a really good overall pizza. The spices are very tasty. The sauce is spot on. It's not overly sauced, and it's not to where you can't taste it. So there's plenty of sauce there. I'm gonna go with a 7.9 on this. Definitely. All right, so another cool thing they have here, Darren, are these olive oils. And these are, so the garlic and rosemary infused olive oils that they put in the bread and everything, they also have it in a regular version, garlic and rosemary, and then a spicy version. And you can get both of these put on your table here, and you can dribble it all over your pizza, or you can dip the crust in it, which is what we're gonna do right now. We're gonna dip some crust. So let's start with the regular, and then we'll hit up the spot. Come on, Darren. You don't want to ruin your palate with the spice.
I like spice.
Well, we'll try them both. We'll try them both. All right, we'll do a little.
Fine.
Do a little regular here. Garlic and rosemary infused olive oil. When I taste it on my finger, I do taste a little bit of rosemary.
So there's a lot of competing kind of going on.
Garlic, but yeah, when you put it, because it's already in this.
Yeah, so it's already.
And when you put it, like, it's already all there. So what I'm really interested in is that spiciness.
Finally.
So yeah, if you want a little extra olive flavor, you can use that.
Ooh, it's even a little thicker.
got a slight spice to it. You didn't get any?
None.
I tasted a little bit on my tongue.
Man, you're the guy that like usually dies when we eat something hot.
No.
Well, maybe I'm not the one.
Man, Mike said I did that Superman like a champ. If you want to see that video, check it out. It's the pickled relish pepper, Mike Pepper.
Oh yeah, that was pretty funny.
Yeah, I killed it.
Good. I mean, it's good. I
It's good, it's not.
I just don't. I don't get the heat.
Yeah, I wouldn't call this like I love the heat. This isn't like super spicy.
Like I've said in the past, if you think ketchup is spicy, this may be a little spicy for you.
That may be, and it may be it may be extremely mild because of we're in the Midwest.
As it sneaks in a little bit, I can taste a little bit on the back of my throat. Not enough to like, 4-alarm fire or anything, and I need to drink a bunch of water, but I can. There's a little bit of spice, little bit. It's subtle.
Yeah, it's not hitting me anywhere but on the tongue.
I'm not over going, oh my God.
Yeah, like normally a serrano pepper, if I just eat a serrano pepper, it's getting me everywhere, and it's very good and flavorful. That's just got can add a little bit of spice to your pizza if you want it. So, all right.
Have you tried the cheese pizza here?
So West Side, Avivo, I would definitely make this stop on your pizza journey if you're traveling around eating pizzas, or if you need a pizza on the West Side, live local and come eat here. Yeah. Well, thanks for tuning in to another episode of Taste the Pizza series. We got 2 more to go, Darren, or I think 3. I don't know, 2 or 3. We're gonna do it.
We're gonna knock them out.
We're gonna knock them out. As always, I'm Troy.
I'm Darren.
And we're reminding you to live local. See you next time.